Alright, good morning, y'all. I'm sick of shit this morning. Literally. Yeah, I'm sick. I got my hair and makeup done yesterday. I probably got sick. Oh, I went to a game night. I did not record nothing. I'm so sorry. But today we're gonna try to record, and I'm gonna tell y'all what's on the agenda. So my friend is about to bring me some medicine. I'm gonna get up. I have to bring my cars into the garage, and I'm gonna have to get dressed and be all set. That's all I have on the schedule today. I don't know what else it would. We're always taking places, so.
Okay, good morning, YouTube. So I'm about to show you guys my skincare routine. Because you hoes need to know. You feel me? Do you feel me? Hold on. We're about to put our hair up and get our little rich girl claw. That's what I call a rich girl claw. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So today I'm gonna show y'all my skincare routine. I use Dial soap. Yeah, it works well, very well. So you get it soapy or whatever, and you let the water get warm or whatever. You scrub it up. Scrub it up. Get all the dust in on your eyebrows and stuff. Word. So then you just gotta get your eyes too, so you gotta close your eyes. Okay, then you turn the water cold. And you rinse again. Alright? Boom. Right? So then you get too much. So then pat dry. Using good molecules. When we start with our toner, I don't do the toner like how y'all do it. I go like this and put that shit on my face. Then you get your put it all over and massage your face. Cool. Now can you really get that? Get to take these two fingers. Go like this. Get that cat out. Right? Because it's broken. Go like this. Get up again. This shit big as fuck, but it works so good. It works good as fuck. Okay? You'll never have no dry skin again. I don't even be putting no moisturizer on my lips after I use it. Like what? Like huh? My skin ain't never looked this good. What? Yo, dead ass? What? Then you can shape your eyebrows with this shit. That's how it is. You guys are bugging. If you don't get to know any cream, you're bugging. And you gotta get to know good molecules too. Okay? Get the good yeah. Okay? You heard what I said. Use Dial to wash your face.
So today's a real chill day. I'm at the nail salon getting my nails done. I'm getting like a emerald green. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. And I need to do some book content, so I had to get my nails done ASAP. But yeah, I'm going to try to do the install video. I don't know if I should put it in this vlog or do another video. We'll see.
So now we're at our building. We had someone already. And I forgot to show y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all what we got going over there. Okay, I can block this. I'm gonna right there. Oh, we so grown. Teleport the drip. Thank you.
The big one.
The big one. I can't wait to be drunk.
My gosh. Okay, guys, so we're at Louisiana Beach show. We're gonna do a sleepover tonight. We're gonna get some drinks and go to the pool. Cause I haven't been to the pool since the summer, and I didn't even go that many times. I'm gonna go.
Oh no, that's bad. We're not gonna get into it.
I am. No, I really do want to go to the pool, but then I don't. Who the fuck gonna get in the pool by themselves?
True.
No.
So we're going to the pool.
We're going to the pool. I want to be in the pool until I get the frog hands. But yeah, we're gonna show y'all what we get. Cause I'm about to order me some beignets.
What's mine called?
Bye y'all.
Bye y'all.
Oh, did I show? I didn't show y'all how my nails turned out. They look black as shit, but they green. They are green. Huh. Yeah. So we're at the indoor pool. About to get in the pool. We got our disguise teleport. Don't play with us. Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm about to install my wig by myself. So I started by just brushing my hair back with this. It's the incorrect brush, but then I brushed it back with a wig, not a wig brush. What is this called? A hard brush. There's Sean. That's who does my hair, but he's teaching me how to do my own. So I slick it back with some Got2b and use my toothbrush to get it back there, so I can make sure it don't get my edges, because baby, I'll be losing them with these wigs. I do. Okay, so we're back. I don't know why I didn't just cut this stuff out. Okay, now I'm putting on my wig cap, and I'm spraying with this lace spray. He told me not to do this. He was so mad, but I did it anyways. So I had to sit there and wait till it dried, because he was like, no, you're supposed to use the glue first or whatever. So we just ended up spraying it again so I can get my edges in there too. So I had to blow dry it, and my blow dryer sucks. So I was sitting there for a long time trying to dry it. Don't ask me, I don't know. I wish I could have did the sounds of this video, but it's not letting me save. I don't know. It's just not working. So here's that. So here's me trying to dry it a different way because the shit took so long. He's mad. He's like, why the fuck would you do that? Now it's still not dry. Da, da, da. Whatever. So yeah. Here's me cutting around to get the cap flat and stuff. Yeah, I look so greasy. I was hot as shit, y'all. Cutting my ears off. This looks a mess. And you know what's so crazy? Now that I have this wig on now, it's not even like that under there no more. It's not. Positioning the wig to see where I want it to go and to cover up the little white parts from the cap, so making sure that you're not going to be able to see underneath my little cap. Yeah. So here I'm trying to mount my cap onto my head to make me look bald. I didn't do that well with my cap, but it's okay, it's okay.
I don't care.
Oh.
She don't like me, I don't like her.
We are done. Yeah, first of all, you got it the wrong way. You too.
No, well, yeah, your body filtered out. You might have to get it taken in the back.
It's cute though.
Yeah.
This is skirt number 1, and I think it's like that.
I think you can do like a cami or something with it.
Huh?
A cami, like a cami. Yeah. I like another shirt like you got on, just in a different color.
Wow.
I'm over it. Put something for me. Look at green.
I like this because I don't.
I like the material.
I don't have to.
Yeah, you have to pin it together. But I don't see you wearing that. If you had like a gray one, maybe. Yeah. Try on the black one. If it was solid black, yes. I don't like the shawl thing you have under it. But it's not ugly.
I like how it's good. By itself, yeah. With the blonde hair too.
That blonde hair pull a different look at you.
Mm-hmm. No problem. He trying to give me crack, y'all. Y'all, he finally got him a chair. Ugh. Instead of having me sitting at the middle.
Knock all this shit off.
Huh? I'm not all that shit off. Alright, we gotta go.
I had to call Lanisha. I said I had to call Lanisha.
I'm pissed.
Why? Hold on, wait a minute. Cause I know she is not eating my dilator. Wait up.
I'm gonna have to get you some milk because I I sure did.
Come on.
You put them up high so I wouldn't get them.
I didn't do this. That's all right, right?
Over them tropical. Over them.
Huh?
Over them.
These?
Yeah.
How you do? Y'all country. What's